All right, hey Avid. I just want to give you the schedule for the week. Pretty easy week again, especially in light of the fact that May 1st has been designated a teacher planning day. So you might see that some of your classes have eased up on the workload this week. But for this week's folder, you're going to see our planners and to-do list. There again, notice we're just doing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday posts. So make sure you do it on those days. You do have an additional assignment on Monday and Wednesday. So Monday is going to be a Google form that you access and fill out. It's really just kind of checking up on your grades and seeing what you're going to focus on for the next couple of weeks. It's also going to have you start thinking about what kind of a SMART goal you might want to make. Tuesday's just our planner check. Wednesday, in addition to the planner check, you will have a SMART goal assignment where you're actually going to post in a discussion what is your SMART goal going to be. So I just want to open that up real quick. In the instructions, I remind you, what does the SMART stand for? Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. I want you to explain what is your SMART goal specifically. I want it to be academic, so it could be a particular class or maybe a couple classes that you want to focus on, or even just getting ready for college, whether that be registration, to-do list, just kind of getting geared up for next year. It's not a lot of time, so keep in mind it's like, we've got basically a month left, so timely is kind of automatic in this. Just make sure it's something that's specific and attainable in a month's time. So that's Wednesday's assignment. Thursday is just a planner check and attending your tutorial group. Please make sure you're attending those. And then Friday, again, is just kind of going to be a day off for you guys. However, obviously, if you need it to catch up in your other classes, you should do so. Let me know if you have any questions, but good luck this week. Thanks.